We have worked on food security. We are working on employment. We are building the profile of our country. Today, Kenya is respected. That is why we hosted the Africa Climate Summit last year. We hosted the International Development Associations with the World Bank to discuss concessional funding. Yesterday, we hosted the Africa Development Bank Summit. Next week, I will be addressing the G7. Last week, Kenya was given the privilege to be the African country to a state visit to the United States in 16 years. It speaks volumes of the favor of God upon our nation.